And I'm the business developer here at Rent Portland Homes. So I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit about what I do and what my job role here is. As a business developer, my job is to meet with you on site at your property. And what we do is we go over your rental analysis there. How I figured this out is by using Craigslist as well as properties that we have managed to make sure that we get you an accurate rental analysis for your home. We definitely don't want you to be overpriced or undervalued as well in the market. Once we sign you on as a client, what we do is we onboard your property through a marketing process. And what that looks like is we photograph the home, we take a video as well, and then we get it up on our system. We also use Craigslist, Zillow, Facebook, YouTube as well. YouTube is used for the live walkthrough videos, which is actually one of our most popular things right now. And the reason for that is people are actually able to see what the home looks like without physically seeing the home before showing. Once we do showings at your home, Mark is our leasing agent, so he'll take care of those. We'll actually screen tenants for you as well. We use our screening criteria, which you can visit our website to see, because there's now 2 screening criteria that we use, which is Multnomah County and outside of Multnomah County. Once we find a tenant that's qualified for your home, we'll give you a call to kind of give you the details and get your approval. And then from there, we move in the tenant. When we move in the tenant, we actually document the home with photographs as well as using a move-in, move-out checklist. And that just kind of goes over the conditions of the home. And then with the photos, there's anywhere between 200 to 500 photos. Every cabinet gets open, every drawer. We take photos of the inside of appliances, outside of appliances, the walls, the floors, because it's important for us to know what the condition of the home was when they moved in. And then once they move in, they get settled in, we actually do an inspection between the 3rd and the 5th month, and this is at no charge to you. At that time, we will send you photos and a narrative of what we saw in the property, and if there's any issues that need to get resolved, we'll come back in 2 weeks. Now we're going to talk about a little bit about the mistakes that owners make when they're self-managing. The first one is undervalue market rents. So as a property management company, we're actually able to get a little bit more for rents. And the reason for that is that people are more likely to use a property management company when seeking a rental, outside of the state, out of the country, or just in general, just because there's so many scams that are going on right now. The second is that sometimes owners don't get repairs done in a timely manner. We like to get our repairs done within 48 hours, and we actually have an in-house handyman and 100 local vendors that we work with, or you can complete the repairs yourself as an owner as long as they are done correctly and within 48 hours. Another item that we want to talk about is organization. We actually use AppFolio software, which tracks the rents, security deposits, the leases, any addendums to the lease, such as rent increases, and that's for every tenant. And lastly, proper notices. As a property management company, we make sure that the tenant gets a notice via email, also in their mail, and then something posted on their door. Sometimes as an owner, you just text the tenant and then you don't send a proper notice, or you actually go on site without giving them notice, and then you actually have a likelihood of being sued because of that. That's actually one of the #1 reasons that an owner would get sued. So this is a little bit about the services that we have to offer, what we do as a property management company. And if you're interested in any of our services, please give us a call at 503-515-3170.